fabric looks a bit rough.
A hole here. Sat Shri Akal ji and welcome back to Girls Beauty. Before we begin today's video, let's have a look at the outfit of the day. So today I'm wearing my favorite skirt with one of my office shirts, but definitely not worn in a formal way. So I paired my polka dots crop top with my skirt and my office shirt to create this look. For the footwears, I would have easily picked my strappy black heels, but I wanted to add a bit of color to my otherwise white and black look, so I paired my yellow shoes from Zara with this outfit. So this is one of the cute ways to pair your formal shirt with a crop top. So today I'm doing a review video of this frill sari that I got from Myntra.com. So some of you guys have requested me through personal messages on Facebook and Instagram to review my frill sari that I bought from Myntra online. So here I am. Let's begin with today's video. To start with, let's have a look at the website from where I bought this sari. I have put the link in the description box if you're interested in the sari. Sometimes pictures can be deceiving, especially when you're buying something online, because sellers spend a lot of money to make their product look good and buyable. So when I was looking for saris to pick for myself, I thought I will stick to the basics so that there are no surprises. So I picked the black sari for myself. You can experiment, there are many different beautiful colors. I was also interested in this rust or maroon sari, but then I thought I won't take risk. I will pick the black one since I didn't have any black sari as well. So first let me show you guys what I got in the package. So I got this fabric. This one is for the blouse. So this is the width of the fabric, and I think it's 1 meter or more than that, and this is the length of the fabric. So the fabric is quite thick, it looks silky, and it has golden dots on it. So it's not bad. I think it will look really nice, but I don't believe in getting my blouses stitched because I like to experiment using my crop tops. So now let's have a look at the sari. So the fabric of the sari is Georgette. It's a very nice flowy fabric. I love to wear Georgette saris because fabric is very flowy. It is not stiff at all, and it makes you look thin compared to silk saris. And the sari has a border, this black satin ribbon, which honestly I don't like to show, and I always fold it inside and never show this ribbon. And then this is the frill because of which I bought this sari. So one side of the pallu has this lace and other side of pallu has this beautiful frill. You can experiment a lot with this sari. So in next video I'm going to show you guys how you can drape this sari in different ways. If you look at this sari very carefully, it has a little bit of flaws because the frill is not consistent. And you can see
The fabric looks a bit rough as well.
so that is one of the reasons that this sari is cheap compared to if you go to a shop and buy this sari. Maybe they sell kind of like, you know, a bit of rejected pieces because I can see a hole here as well. I'm not sure whether it's just me or my piece which have got all these flaws or all other pieces are also like that, but honestly still it doesn't bother me because these are not very visible. The sari is black in color and it has frill, and so it kinds of cover all the flaws, and I'm very happy with this sari. Certain part of the sari has double frill, which is going to be your pleats, that fabric, which makes it look really pretty and voluminous. So this is one of my favorite saris that I shopped online, and I'm totally in love with this sari. So another good thing about this sari is this is ready to go. Once you receive it, you can wear it immediately. You don't have to get any extra fabric attached at the bottom of your sari for the weight because it has this frill which gives it enough weight to make it look beautiful once you wear it. So now let's do a try on for this sari.
So just for the trial purpose, I'm going to use my skirt as a petticoat. And the skirt I'm wearing is also of the Georgette stuff. And Let's start draping the sari by tucking in one corner of your sari in the skirt or petticoat, and then just wrap it around and tuck in the fabric inside your petticoat. In my case, it's going to be this skirt. And then after that, start making pleats. I know you have to first pick the length of the pallu, but since this is just a trial video, then I'm making pleats and tuck them in. And then I'm left with a very long pallu, but that's fine since this is a beautiful frill sari. We are going to make use of the long pallu. And this is how our sari looks. For the blouse, I'm wearing this beautiful polka dot crop top, and I think it looks very beautiful with this black frill sari.
Fabric is beautiful, and this has enough weight because of the frill at the bottom of the sari that your pleats will be set.
Don't forget to watch my next video where I will be pairing up and styling this sari very differently. Wait for the video.
If you like this sari or you liked my outfit of the day, please do let me know in the comment section below. So fabric is really nice, which is Georgette. Style of this sari is awesome because it has this beautiful frill on it, and the color of the sari, which is black, that gives me the liberty of pairing any colored blouse or crop top with this sari. And stay tuned for the next video, because in the next one I'm going to show you guys how you can style this sari in different ways. This is very versatile piece and I totally love it. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. If there is any online review that you want me to do, please let me know in the comment section below. And please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and the bell icon is pressed so that you don't miss any review or any fashion related videos. So that's it for today, guys. I see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and take it easy.